to see him home.
No, it's over there. Crouching down.
Tag someone with that? Holy cow. Woo! Alright.
I can't get anybody else. Daddy's up.
Communicate, guys.
He's over there, buddy. Casey right there?
No, Casey's right there.
A lot of gunfire right there, man. I can't believe this guy's not getting hit back here. I can't tell who's who.
I know Luis up there. Luis just stands for Tristan. Casey's
that
right
Tristan?
there. Alex right there. Tristan's in the short.
Yeah, I see.
I'm freezing.
We gotta roll the Reball. I know. I was doing it like for the past hour and a half. Oh my god.
So, are some of these people almost done though?
Yeah, they almost done.
Okay. So we'll be ready for that last game then.
I'm ready.
The air case.
That was a good slide. I missed it. You just hit a good slide. Oh, you got hit. You got hit.
So whether or not you want to bring them in, that's up to you.
Who got hit?
Casey.
Guns come in. Air tanks come in. Masks.
Oh man! I got a big picture of the back.
Sorry.
It's like
You're okay. You're okay. Oh my god. That sounded. Good shot. Casey. Oh, nice, Casey. Nice, nice. Oh, nice.
Sneaking around. Ow! Jesus gosh! Oh, this is elimination. Ah!
Ow, ow, he's out, he's out.
What?
That was a sacrifice. I think it's because it's through the fence. It's not working.
It's like a horrible.
Daddy's out again.
Rush him, go, rush him.
Oh, oh! That was a good Casey thing. I can't see over there. What's going on?
Ooh, I know Casey is a shoe.
guys ready? Yeah. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta leave your gun. In front of you.
Hold fire. It's your teammate. All right, you guys got one left. You guys got to go. Reset. Grab your gun. We got him. We got him. See you guys with that gas. Game number 2, switch sides. Guys, switch sides. Switch sides. Switch sides. Keep your face mask on, buddy. Keep your face mask on. Woo! Woo! All right, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4. I shot him so many times. Buddy, you're not up. All right, 2-2. Game over, game over. All right.
What are you doing? I'm out. You're not out. Keep going.
All right, everybody first, give me a smile.
Yeah.
Show your guns. Show your guns. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now do something weird or funny with the guns.
Gangsta poses. Gangsta.
All right, hold on, I gotta talk. I can't. Hunter, you gotta come to the front. Hunter, come to the front. No, Hunter, come up front.
There you go. Come on, shorty.
Down there.
Oh, we all see him shooting hard. Don't be shooting. You're scared me.
Oh, Chris, come.
Stop it!
Come on, I can't get Casey in there. Hold on. 1,
Please get over all of it.
2, 3. All right.